Today we're going to do some color mixing with clay. The first thing you need to do is put your name and your teacher's name on your worksheet. When everyone at your table has their name and teacher name on their worksheet, you will get a tray with clay. Take one piece of each color, yellow, blue, and red, and one piece of white, and put those on the spots on your worksheet. Next, you're going to take your yellow piece and you are going to divide it into thirds, into 3 equal pieces. And you're going to put one yellow there, one yellow there, and one yellow there. Next, you're going to grab a tiny pinch of red, and you're going to take your first yellow and you're going to start mixing it until you get a new color. So keep squeezing and pulling and pressing until your color is totally blended. And when it's done, go ahead and put it back. Next, you're going to grab the piece of yellow from here and you're going to take a tiny pinch of blue and you're going to mix it in with the yellow. And you're going to do the same thing you did before. You're going to squeeze and pinch and pull and twist until you have a brand new color. You don't want to see the marbling. You want to have a brand new color. So keep mixing it. And when you're done, you can put it here. Next, you're going to take your red and you're going to split it in half. So you have 2 red balls. You're going to put one back on red and one right here. And then you're going to take a pinch of blue, just a pinch, and you're going to mix it with the red until you get a new color. Next, you're going to take your white and you're going to split it into 3 equal pieces. 3 equal pieces. I'm going to give a little more to this one, and I'm going to take the middle one, and I'm going to take a pinch of orange and a pinch of purple, and I'm going to mix it together to see what color I get. Next, I'm going to take my other white and I'm going to add a pinch of yellow. And I'm going to mix that up. So I'm going to change the shade to a light yellow with mixing the white with the yellow. Next, I'm going to take my light yellow and I'm going to split it in half and I'm going to roll it into 2 balls. We are going to make a hamburger. So I have 2 balls that are about the same size, and I'm going to push it down so it's the same size as the circle on my worksheet, the one that says 1.25. So this is 1.25 inches, and I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to take the other circle and I'm going to flatten that down so it's the same size. And now I have 2 burger buns, and I'm going to take a toothpick and I'm going to add some little dots on the top of my hamburger because a hamburger bun usually has some seeds. Next, I'm going to grab some red and I'm going to roll it in a ball, and then I'm going to flatten it out on my circle. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. This is going to be my burger. Then you need to think of what you're going to put next. Do you want to make some lettuce? Do you want to make tomato? If you wanted to make some lettuce, you could roll up another ball and flatten it out You can also use a pencil to flatten things out. And then you can start building your burger. And you can also use your pencil or your toothpick to add texture. I'm going to put that on there. And I like cheeseburgers, so I'm going to add some cheese. And the cheese is usually shaped like a square. So I'm going to make that a square. And I'm going to put that on my burger. And then what else do I need? Maybe a little ketchup. So I'm going to roll the ketchup into a nice line. And I'm going to put it onto the burger. And then I'm going to put my bun on top. And now I have a burger with all the things that I like to eat.